The fifth thing you want to do on Instagram in order to attract paying clients is, and I know some of you aren't gonna like this, but you need to live stream. Yes, everyone's still, I'm like, y'all still scared of live streaming, but I know a lot of people are. People are still scared of live streaming because they feel like it's awkward and what am I gonna say and it's live and what if I get trolls, you know? Don't worry about any of that. I've personally found that live streaming is one of the most powerful ways to attract paying clients on Instagram. I remember one of my first high ticket clients that I ever got, actually got after a live stream that I did on Instagram and on Facebook. So for Instagram, because that's what this video is about, you want to make sure that you are doing live streams regularly. Start off by doing them just once a week and then see if you can do a few times a week. But you'll find that after you get comfortable with them, you'll be able to start directing people to sign up for a free consultation call with you. So I like to just do my live stream to teach, to give really great information. And then at the end, I just say, hey, if you're interested in taking this further, I would love to help you. You know, click the link in my bio or go to this link in order to sign up for a free discovery call. And then from there, we have the sales conversation and I end up getting paying clients.